Our tap reached a healthy server, DNS, the domain name system, found it, and the load balancer picked it. But now that server must send heavy things back: car images, track backgrounds, victory videos, and the game's servers might sit in Virginia while you tap in Tokyo, so every picture has to swim across an entire ocean to reach you. Distance is a real cost. Data is fast, but not magic. It rides through cables on the ocean floor, and every 1,000 kilometers adds delay. A Tokyo to Virginia round trip can take a couple hundred milliseconds. Load 30 images on one screen, and the game crawls, even with powerful servers. The enemy is not the computer, it is the distance. So the internet cheats beautifully. It is called a CDN, a Content Delivery Network. Instead of keeping the car image in one place, copy it onto hundreds of servers across the planet, in cities next to real players. Each copy sits at the edge of the network, so each is called an edge server. Now Tokyo does not reach across an ocean, it grabs the image from an edge server 20 kilometers away. But how did the image reach that edge server? Pause and guess. The first Tokyo player asks, and the edge is empty-handed. That is a cache miss. So the edge fetches the image once from the original source, the origin, keeps a copy, and hands it over. Every player after gets it instantly. That is a cache hit. This is the exact cache-aside idea from our Redis series, stretched across the planet. The origin now answers once per city, not once per player. But a copy cannot live forever, or players see last week's car, so every cached item gets a TTL, it's time to live. When the timer hits 0, the edge grabs a fresh copy from the origin, and for emergencies, like a broken image, you hit purge, and every edge on Earth drops that item at once and refetches it. A shelf life for normal days, a panic button for bad ones. There's a bonus superpower. Because a CDN already runs thousands of machines worldwide, it doubles as a shield. When a flood of malicious traffic tries to drown your site, those edge servers form a wall the flood crashes against long before it reaches your origin. One fleet, two gifts: speed and shelter. So here's the big picture. Distance is expensive, so a CDN keeps copies of your heavy content on edge servers next to every user. The first request in a region is a miss that pulls from the origin. Every request after is a fast local hit, ruled by a TTL and a purge button. Your game feels instant everywhere, and your origin stays shielded. But notice, everything so far was a read. You asked, the internet delivered, fast. Your tap was not only a read, though. You tapped buy. That's a write, a change to the world. And writes are a far more dangerous game. Before it may touch the real services, it must pass a gatekeeper. That's next time, the API Gateway.